out of there earlier than I expected.
Right, it's like, the time, I don't know how to fling them just right with that. It's like, I feel if I fling it too hard, they're just gonna like drop on the ground.
Yeah,
you know, they're just gonna like...
Or go this way and like smack you off.
Right, I did test fling it. I don't know, fair enough. For those that were wondering, this is a Ruger 7722 bolt action. Anywho, and then we've got Walther P22. That's what just clapped off. We have a Colt. What the hell is it? It's an old Colt. Shit. Match Target. Colt Match Target 22. And then Remington Model 17 20 gauge shotgun. Got my buddy Chris's Ruger 45, and I've also got my 1911 45, Springfield 1911. Anywho.
You gotta get the bottom of that tree that's on the right side at the bottom of that hill. There's a lot of rocks over there, but kind of far. Yeah. What kind of magnification do you have?
4 times. So it's not like insane.
Yeah. For the 22, you don't really need a super long range one. Watch out for rattlers.
Right.
Grab that on the way back.
Yeah.
This hill's a little steeper than it looked from back there.
Yeah, it is.
Not like terrible, but
No. It's a fun little thing to ride out. Just whoop.
or down on a mountain bike.
It doesn't look like the dirt bikes have been out here for a little while though.
Yeah.
It's not freshly chewed by any means. I think somewhere over here.
Maybe not in front of that like big ass rock.
Right. That's about the perfect spot for it. Move those out of the way.
Yeah. Sit on the back bumper so we can stabilize more easily.
Yeah, we can even, how about I'll pull the Tahoe around and face it the other way and we can lean across the hood.
Whatever. Get all kinds of bullet shells down in the windshield washer track thing.
Okay. I think we did that on my the Tacoma once.
I think so. Hopefully it's like a leash or what. Let's see if I can set itself.
It'll line it up maybe. Seems like it'll fall.
Alrighty, so we've got a bit of a long range challenge set up now. We have a resettable steel target way down over here in this valley underneath one of the trees. I don't know if you'll be able to see it very well or not. It's pretty far away.
Wait, that's probably 100 yards, what do you think?
Yeah, probably at least 100. So we'll be shooting down there with the 22 bolt action rifle with a 4x scope, and we'll see who gets the most shots, most hits.
Ding ding, challenge on.
Miss. target. There's one. That one that I hit didn't stay up, it fell back down. Miss again. Miss again. Miss. Hit. Hit. Empty. So 3 hits, 10 shots, and Brandon's up next. We just got to reload. We'll be back at it. Alrighty, Brandon's up now. Let's see if he can do the 10 shots.
Probably finish this before I start shooting. Shooting with this hanging out of my mouth ain't helping the
Blowing
cause.
smoke all into your eyes.
I'm like squinting over there, I'm smoke in my eyes.
That'll happen when you're a smoker.
Reset it.
Sounded like a hit. Scratching up the paint job.
It's probably scratching one of the kids. High to the left. Every shot.
Same.
Got it.
Got it.
Gotta reset.
I can see it dangling. 2.
Oh, you beat me. You beat me. Chris got 2. Chris got 3. I got 2. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Round 2?
Round 2.
All right. Reload and we'll start round 2. Alrighty, just about to start up round 2. And I'm empty. Only got 2 that time. Time for Brandon to reload again and finish up round 2.
It's kind of a challenging shot. It's over 100 yards, I think, and it's windy.
The wind is definitely not.
was even thinking that maybe we could run out there and I'll just drop the GoPro off right next to the target and we'll leave it out there by the resettable target and
Sounds good to me.
get some shots of it, of us missing.
Close-up shots on.
Close-up shots of us hitting the ground around the target. Maybe I'll load up a magazine in the Colt match target pistol and see if we can hit the target with a pistol from a long ways away. It's kind of a fun gun. .22 long rifle, 100+ yard resettable target contest. 4x scope. Look out!
So I gotta get 3 to tie Chris. He's still ahead.
Fail! Oh, I hit it, but it didn't go over. It's wiggling, but it didn't flip up. I nicked it. Doesn't count.
Still not seeing any contact down there, man.
Nope. This bastard's living. No headshots at 100 meters from my ass.
Luckily for you, they're not luckily heads aren't that size.
I only nicked it once.
We'll give him a half a point.
Half a point. I've got 2.5 and Chris has 5.
2.5 to 5 on that round.
Damn, I got smoked.
Now we're gonna try with something different, I guess.
Whatever's clever.
You can go with that guy.
You want to shoot it?
Sure. So now we're gonna use this coal match target and see if we can hit that sucker with this. I can't even hardly see it with this.
Right? You're straight up above it, too high. Oh, you got it, you reset it. Gotta reset.
Alright, 1 reset, which is the smallest target on there. Let's see if Brandon can beat 1 reset. That should be worth 2 points. Right. 2.5 to 7. I found an unspent one on the hood. That's really difficult with that pistol. I mean, it seems pretty accurate, but it's just so far away and windy that they just fly wherever they want to. There was one time me and a friend had come out to the mesa and we forgot to bring targets with us, and it snowed like the night before, so we were making snowballs and launching them up in the air and shooting them out of the sky with shotguns.
Nice.
It was awesome. Free targets all day. Let's see what Brandon can do with the 22 pistol, long range.
That's all she wrote. Not a one.
Not a one.
Not a one. Well. What now?
I don't know.
What now?
Your choice this time.
You know what? I feel like a fucking idiot. I left my 45 sitting at home.
Oh man.
Oops. I left the 45 sitting at home. Well, you got yours, and if you want to, you can load some up. Go for it. Take your fancy bullets out and use some of these fucking garbage rounds. I felt like I was forgetting something when we left. It was that 45. It's sitting up in my fucking room.
That's not a good place for it to be out here shooting.
Right? Oh well.
What should we put holes in this time?
Oh well.
What should we smack with this guy?
Oh.
Target?
Paper target, I guess.
This won't shoot way over there.
You could try and hit that. See what happens, but
guess we could put a couple down that way. I highly doubt I'll be able to hit that. This Ruger P97 BC isn't exactly the most accurate long distance handgun by any means. Way low. That was close. Way high. Low and fill. 0 for me with the 45. Like I said, it's not exactly a long-range handgun, and we're still shooting at that same target way out there. These 45s, even though they're a big bullet, they drop real quick. Well, because they're a big bullet, and they have a lot of powder behind them. But like I said, I think they're like 235 grain jacketed. Let's see if Brandon will beat me with the 45. I counted as more points. 3 points with the 45?
Sure. I don't know if we're keeping score. You're already far enough ahead of me. I'm not going to catch up. I don't think so.
It's only 7 to 2.5.
I guess
You could catch up. 145. Get on this side of you so I'm not get brass flung in my face. That thing likes to launch brass pretty far.
right? Way low.
I heard the ricochet on the first one.
Nope.
I didn't hear any hits on that.
I didn't see any hits.
But it was pretty far away, and that thing, like I
This
said,
probably would have cleaned right through that thin ass metal anyways.
we had to buy Brandon. So we decided it would be a little bit more entertaining for you guys and for us if we move the target closer so we could actually hit it. Because it's pretty far, and like we've said, it's pretty windy. So it doesn't make it easy for shooting out here. Got another fresh clay with ants all over it. Everything out here wants to eat, man. Whether it's badgers or rattlesnakes or ants, cactus.
ass clay. Somebody was out here shooting years ago.
Oh yeah. Real old. Lost all its orange and turned green. No, it's probably one of those white ones. I wish I could be one of those awesome trick shotters that shoots like they throw 5 pigeons for themselves all at once and just nail all of them out of the sky with individual shells. Man, there's all kinds of cactus.
That old guy is crazy.
Right? Has one. Looks like I got hit twice. Sweet.
Yeah.
That surely could be doable.
Fuck that 100-yard shit. How am I supposed to 360 quick scoop the 100-yard?
Yeah, we've been out here trying 360 quick scopes with that sucker.
Another great play.
I'm just kidding, we didn't try any crazy stunts yet.
And I stress yet.
I wonder if this clay will balance on the reset. So you try to smack them all down and then smash the clay and reset at the same time.
Let's see here. Where the hell was that?
That would have not worked.
That was awesome.
Sometimes it's best to try things before you set them up and then mess it up.
Do a little weed removal right in front of here.
Weeds getting pulled out. Should have brought the mower out. Mow your property out. What are we gonna shoot at it first? Sweet. Looks good to me. This is why you don't wear shorts and socks with low shoes out in the mesa. Even though
yeah.
I'm not much better. I'm just wearing pants. That's the only
I'm
difference.
dressed for the warm desert. I ain't trying to go prone in my ghillie suit.
Every true operator has a ghillie suit.
Yeah. Right now it's holding my spare tire up underneath the truck though, so what can I say? No ghillie suit today.
At that other shooting spot at the end of the road over there, we could have just dressed up in trash and
Is that cardboard box shooting at somebody?